Hi, guys, and welcome to the Epsilon Consulting Group. The question that's been put forward to us is Oxford or Cambridge better for studying law? And the answer to that question, similar to other answers, is that it depends. And here, what I would like to make a distinction is if you're applying as an undergraduate student versus the postgraduate studies. So, conventional wisdom generally states that Oxford is where you go for the social sciences, and Cambridge is what dominates in the sciences. And we see that in terms of the programs, right? So we have the PPE at Oxford, which is very, very famous. At Cambridge, you have the natural science program, and you have the Part 3 in mathematics, and these are quite sought out after programs and quite good. So, traditional wisdom, Oxford for social sciences and Cambridge for the sciences. However, when it comes to studying law, I would argue that at the undergraduate stage, Cambridge takes a slightly upper hand than Oxford. And I think that the structure of the programs is quite similar, but also different in some respects. And once you compare the structures, you would come to the conclusion that Cambridge's program tends to be a bit more modern and less traditional than to Oxford's counterpart. And also to remember is that at both colleges and both universities, there are colleges which are quite strong in the study of law. However, when you're applying as a postgraduate student, I think this is where Oxford takes the upper hand. And Oxford has the BCL program, which is the equivalent to an LLM at most universities. And it is one of the most prestigious postgraduate programs in law anywhere else in the world. It's very, very well regarded, and it's an amazing program. And also in terms of research degrees, when you look at the doctoral students, and even at the postdoctoral stage, Oxford has a lot more doctoral candidates than Cambridge does. In fact, Oxford has more doctoral candidates in law than anywhere else in the UK, and Cambridge is at the second level, but still there is a vast difference between Oxford and Cambridge at that doctoral law stage. So I think the answer to the question is that at the undergraduate level, I would argue that Cambridge takes the slightly upper hand, and I think at the postgraduate level, Oxford tends to be more stronger than Cambridge for the study of law. That being said, again, both are two of the best universities in the world, and you're not going to be disadvantaged by studying at one over the other.